Let's have a quick look at the remedial action we have built using Jamf integrations to address some of the application specific issues. Consider the persona of a DEX admin, Tom Holland. As a DEX admin, Tom's priority is to ensure seamless digital experience across the devices and the application that employees use. His objectives is to prevent any application related issue from disrupting employee productivity and to address the most critical use cases they face. In this scenario, we will cover one of the most critical use cases reported by many customers and organizations, which is application crashes. To address this, we have created a remedial action that integrates with Jamf to uninstall, reinstall, or update the application to the latest version, thereby resolving crash-specific issues faced by employees. This integration with the Jamf server works by invoking the remedial action via the policy ID directly through the Jamf agents or the clients installed on the end user's devices. Let's assume that a device has encountered multiple application crashes with Firefox. As a service desk agent, I would like to update the Firefox to the latest version, which is, let's say, 134.0. I come to the device, I click on the action library and execute the Jamf policy here. Once I click on run action, it asks me for approval. Now the way we have configured this remedial action is through two input methods for executing a Jamf policy. First one is directly by entering the policy ID. Now the remedial action will invoke the Jamf client on the device, which will then execute the application package as mentioned in the policy directly, along with the specified version and install on the end user's device. Now the catch here is that not all personas involved might have access to the policy IDs. This is where the second type of input method is more relevant to service desk agents or the L1 agents. The policy ID kind of execution is more towards the L2 agents or the level above. Once I click on predefined actions and submit, I'll be able to see a set of predefined actions here. I can see that it mentions install Microsoft Outlook version, install Teams Classic 4.2.1, install Mozilla Firefox version 134.0. Now these are configured at a table that we have created where the DEX admins will be able to fetch the policy ID from Jamf admins and pre-configure them here along with the action mentioned in the policy, the application and the version, so that it makes it easier for the DEX, for the service desk agents to choose from the predefined actions. Now let's choose the predefined action to install Mozilla Firefox 134.0. Now once I click on submit, we can see that the execution of the Jamf policy is in progress. It might take a minute to reinstall the application specific version as mentioned in the policy. Now, as you can see, right now, Firefox app, like I've sorted the applications in my device on date modify, and we can see that Firefox.app has been installed. We can also see that we are notified on our device that the remedial action execution has been completed. Policy ID for which was 384. This way, we can execute any policies that has actions predefined, which can be installation, uninstallation, reinstallation, or any other action as defined in the policy in the Jamf server. Thank you.